This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Panda. Panda is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Now, my video, though, is only for educational purposes, of course. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any troubles or complications. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Panda ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and it encrypts files, and it appends this extension called monochrome bear. It's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware changes the desktop background, and it also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery in this ransom note, which is in the form of HTML file. Of course, you should not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that your data would be restored. So do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com and download the application, install it, and this is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on start scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or other types of threats. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. So it helps to remove the ransomware, it helps to protect the files, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the system. Also, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of all these annoying pop-ups and other types of malware that could be still attacking your screen from time to time. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and you can always request for the free trial. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.